Hello, everyone. Today we will learn about a fascinating English idiom, the top of the heap. Understanding idioms like this can greatly improve your communication skills and help you sound more natural in English. Imagine a new employee, Alex, on his first day. His boss told him, "We need you to get to the top of the heap quickly here." Alex, taking it literally, spent his lunch break trying to climb a pile of old boxes in the warehouse, much to the confusion of his colleagues. His colleagues found it quite amusing, but Alex was genuinely trying to follow instructions. This humorous mix-up highlights how literal interpretations of idioms can lead to funny, yet awkward, situations. So, what does the top of the heap actually mean? This idiom refers to being in a position of power, success, or prominence within a group or field. It signifies being at the very best or most successful level. The origin of this phrase comes from the literal image of a pile or heap of things, where the item at the very top is the most visible, accessible, or important. It contrasts sharply with Alex's literal interpretation. Now, let's see how it's correctly used. Sarah, a dedicated software engineer, worked tirelessly on a complex project. Her innovative solutions and leadership helped her team achieve outstanding results. After the project's success, her manager praised her, saying, "Sarah, your hard work has truly put you at the top of the heap in our department." This meant she was recognized as the most successful and influential engineer. Here are some example sentences to help you understand its usage better. First, after years of dedication, she finally reached the top of the heap in her industry. Second, the new CEO quickly proved he was at the top of the heap, making bold and successful decisions. Third, to be at the top of the heap in sports requires immense talent and constant practice. To remember the top of the heap, visualize a mountain of achievements with a shining trophy or a crown placed right at its peak. This image represents ultimate success and recognition. Did you know that the concept of being at the top of something to denote superiority is very old? While the exact phrase top of the heap gained popularity in the 20th century, similar expressions have existed for centuries. It often reflects a competitive spirit in various cultures where individuals strive for excellence. You might hear it used in business, sports, or even social contexts to describe someone who stands out. Let's explore some related sayings. Similar idioms include at the pinnacle of success, at the peak of one's career, and king of the hill, all conveying a sense of ultimate achievement. Opposite idioms would be at the bottom of the barrel, meaning the least desirable, down and out, indicating misfortune, or a small fish in a big pond, suggesting insignificance. Other related idioms include climbing the ladder, which describes the process of achieving success and making a name for oneself, focusing on gaining recognition. Common mistakes include using top of the heap to describe a physical location, as Alex did, or applying it to inanimate objects. Remember, it refers to a person or entity standing. Always ensure the context implies a hierarchy or competition where someone can truly excel. Avoid using it in casual, non-competitive situations where simple success is implied. Now, let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. What does it mean to be at the top of the heap? Is it A, to literally sit on a pile of things? B, to be the most successful or prominent? Or C, to be very confused? The correct answer is B, to be the most successful or prominent. Great job if you got that right. In summary, the top of the heap is a powerful idiom signifying ultimate success and prominence. Mastering such phrases enriches your English and helps you connect more deeply with native speakers. Your turn. Have you ever heard or used this idiom? Share your experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and follow for more English idiom lessons. See you next time.